When it comes to luxury SUVs, the Lamborghini Urus is a name that resonates with performance, style, and exclusivity. But as much as this super SUV is built to dominate city streets and highways, there's one Urus that has been specifically designed to tackle some serious off-roading. Forget the classic Lamborghini LM002, this modified Urus could very well be the ultimate off-road Lamborghini. This unique version of the Urus was tuned by Apocalypse Manufacturing, a Florida-based company renowned for transforming Jeep Wranglers into jaw-dropping 6x6 creations. While their usual work is focused on extreme conversions, their take on the Lamborghini Urus isn't quite as radical but is still an absolute beast when it comes to off-roading potential. Finished in a menacing satin black, this Urus now boasts an aggressive and rugged appearance. The modifications are not just cosmetic, they've been designed to make the vehicle capable of handling rough terrains like snow, sand, gravel, and rocky paths. The ride height has been significantly increased to make room for massive 33-inch tires and 22-inch forged wheels, ensuring that this Urus can conquer obstacles that would leave standard models stranded. While details on suspension changes remain scarce, it's clear from the increased ground clearance that Apocalypse has gone to great lengths to ensure that the Urus is ready for any challenge the wild outdoors may throw at it. This isn't just a showpiece but a seriously capable off-road machine. The transformation continues with the addition of a front skid plate, which is vital for protecting the underbelly of the vehicle from rocks and debris. Flared wheel arches now accommodate the oversized tires, while a rear diffuser, although mostly for aesthetic purposes at this point, adds to the toughened appearance of the vehicle. Despite the height, the diffuser serves no real aerodynamic purpose but still contributes to the overall cool factor of the SUV. In terms of performance, this off-road Urus doesn't fall short. It's powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the same engine found in the standard model. However, thanks to the addition of a new exhaust system, it now delivers 660 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque, a slight increase over the stock output. These tweaks allow the Urus to maintain its legendary speed while providing the muscle necessary for off-road escapades. Despite its rugged enhancements, this Urus still carries the hallmark of Lamborghini's luxury. One of the standout modifications is the large Kevlar-coated steel roof rack, which adds practicality with a full-size spare wheel and tire. The rack is also fitted with LED driving lights at the front, making sure that even when the night falls, this Urus can light up the path ahead. This modified Urus, now with 15,702 miles on the odometer, is being sold for a hefty price of $286,500 over at DuPont Registry. While this may seem like a significant premium compared to other 2022 Urus models with similar mileage, the extensive modifications made to this particular SUV undoubtedly contribute to its value. These changes aren't cheap, and it's clear that a lot of time, effort, and expertise went into creating this off-road-ready Lamborghini. What makes this Urus so appealing is not just its aesthetic modifications but its true potential as an off-road vehicle. The combination of Lamborghini's iconic performance and luxury with Apocalypse Manufacturing's rugged enhancements means that the Urus is now ready for an entirely new kind of adventure. Whether you're scaling mountains, navigating through sandy dunes, or tackling snowy trails, this Urus is equipped to do it all without sacrificing the refined performance that Lamborghini is known for. In a world where luxury and performance often remain confined to tarmac, this Lamborghini Urus represents the perfect blend of opulence and off-road capability. It's the super SUV for the person who wants it all, the luxury of a Lamborghini with the adventure of a true off-roader,